Guys, today we'll talk about how can you select break remainder on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click on account here, so then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on break remainder. You just click on it, and here can you select break remainder in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.